Earth-Grown Vegan Southwest Quinoa Crunch Veggie Burger.
Welcome to Kiwis to Pistachio.
Vegetable burger with a black bean, red pepper, and roasted corn. Sounds just up my alley. It says here it's a good source of fiber, low in saturated fats, and cholesterol free. Okay, the microwave says place burger on a microwave safe plate. Cook on high for 1.5 minutes. Carefully flip and cook additional 1 minute, but not brown. If you did the oven, you place it on broil. You place your burger in an ungreased tray. Must be boiled approximately 8 minutes, 6 minutes on the other side. See, what is it made out of? Cook quinoa, water, black beans, red corn, breadcrumbs, onions, potato flakes, green chili peppers, arrowroot powder, roasted garlic, cilantro, salt, black pepper. And contains wheat. Okay, so let's get started. So first, we open the package. And these are individually contained. That's nice. Makes it a little easier to manage. Get your microwave plate. All right. Now to go to the microwave. So the directions said 1.5 minutes. As you can see it moving, and you can see that it's 15 seconds I've already gone through. You can't eat the same old flash vegetables, so today we're going to having frozen green peas from Stater Brothers, our local supermarket. The hamburger is going to be served on a golden sesame bun, which has no artificial coloring, no trans fat, and no high fructose corn syrup. So now I'm turning the other side, and I'm going to prepare the peas next, the green peas. I'm going to use this bowl, and I've also inserted it in the microwave, but usually this takes about 2 minutes to heat up. The burger just came out of the microwave, and I'm going to apply some French's yellow mustard. I think it passes the vegan test. Put it on one side. I like a lot of mustard. I'm going to use this non-vegan tomato sauce. See, I'm using it up. One day I'll be making one of these, and I'll be using vegan tomato sauce. You guys are going to be so surprised. And lay it on top, and this on top, and I'm going to warm up the sandwich for another 30 seconds. The microwave has warmed up the vegetable burger, and I've also warmed up the peas already. And I'm putting in some brand new jar of Vaslic. So these are kosher dill gherkins. So now all that's left is to see what the hamburger tastes like. Got a little slice. See, I got some right in there. Well, this package I'm definitely keeping. It's got a nice flavor to it. It doesn't taste overly beanful. It doesn't have too much of it. Just has the right flavor to go with the hamburger. Now, these peas don't really have any margarine on it or any salt. They taste just fine. And the gherkins, they have a good crunch. So this is a very healthy dinner. Thank you for watching.
Hi, this is Gary. Click the circle on my face to subscribe, or click the upper box on your right side of your screen to check my expanded playlist. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.